Hello, YouTube. The time has finally come. Starting a YouTube channel, as you can tell, because you're here watching it. But reason being is my driveway is piling up with cars. I love cars. I like doing shit to them. And I got one that is pretty unique. It's pretty cool. I'm pretty excited to build it. It's gonna be pretty sick. I'm excited. Well, not only for myself, but for the rest of the world to see. This is it. Oh yeah, buddy. 1991 CRX. Last year they made them. Look at this guy. Oh yeah. Yep. It probably looks like shit to whoever's watching this, but it is not. This thing has a crazy story behind it, and now my hands are finally on it. So this was actually my dad's car. He bought this used in, I believe it was 94 or 95. I can't be 100% sure. I can't remember. But you know, he did his thing with it, with the single cam. You know, did as much as I guess you can with those things back in the day. And then decided to pull the motor, do a swap. He did all the goodies, you know. He painted it. He did the molded kit, which looks freaking sick. I cannot wait to buff this car out. It's gonna look insane. But yeah, he did all the goodies. Everything you do to a car, he did it. However, it just never got put back together, as you can tell. This car has actually been sitting like this since early 2000s. So for at least the past 20 years, it has been under a tarp, tucked away in a garage. And this is probably the first time it's seen daylight, which is pretty crazy to think about. So this car's pretty sentimental. It's got a lot of history behind it. A lot of history behind it, but it's gonna be freaking sick. We got a lot of plans for this thing, a lot of work to do, obviously, but the bare bones are here. So yeah, I'm just stoked, man. This thing's sick. All the interior trim pieces are in the back. Yeah, everything's here. It's freaking cool. It's freaking awesome having something like this. But I guess since this is an introduction video, I might as well show everything else we're working with. This is the Daily Driver. It's 07 Cat Eye. Oh, it looks so perfect. It's got I bought it this way, so I ain't taking any credit for anything. It's got a 5.3 swap, 410 rear end. It's on a 5.7 drop, you know, C-notch flip kit. You know the basic setup of these trucks. It's pretty freaking loud. It's got headers to a single muffler, but she gets down. She's fun. She's a fun little daily driver, man. And she looks freaking killer. I mean, come on. That's sick. It's like yin and yang right there. I mean, come on. Hell yeah. And then this is my real baby over here, though. This is my baby. That was my dad's baby. This is my baby. It's a 2009 little Fin, little G37, which everyone hates in the car world, but I don't think you can buy a better car for the price. But I don't really drive it too much, so it's been sitting here. I drive it every couple weeks, honestly. But yeah, I mean, look at this thing. She's definitely a 15-footer, though. Don't get me wrong. The paint is cooked. It's been wrapped a million times. Yeah, she doesn't need a whole lot. I don't like driving stuff that's not, you know, up to par, if you will. Maybe that's the right word. Yeah, she's sick, dude. Love it. Honestly, a little more low and some wrap, she'd probably be perfect again. But yeah, nothing too crazy with this car either. It's just got intakes, no cats, exhaust, tuned. Super fun car though. It gets down. And of course the woman's car. It gets good gas mileage. That's all I can really say about that one. It's got red interior though, so that's pretty sick. But anyways, back to the CRX. So this is it. Again. So like I said, he got a B18 for this car. It's a B18A1, so there's no VTEC, which I'm not mad about. Everybody goes the VTEC route. We are not. Oh, and by the way, I do not have a shop. So everything I do is right here in this driveway. Now, I definitely have the room for it, but that's a lot of freaking money. So we're going to hold off for now. Still make it happen. So this is the shop. Ciao. Gets the job done. It's super cluttered. They're all CRX parts scattered everywhere. So, B18. It's got Crowder cams, valve springs. It's pretty clean too. I wish I knew the mileage on it, but I do not. I believe this is a phony skunk intake, but still looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna get it powder coated. Oh, when I say me, I mean me and my father. We're gonna get it powder coated black to match the valve cover. 70 mil throttle body. I mean, look at that guy. Come on. Man, that's sucking it all there. RC 370s. Oh yeah. And over here. So we have the AEM E85 compatible fuel pump. Come on, focus for me. Oh yeah. Thing looks sick. Too bad you can't see it. I'll be in a tank. This just got here today. Full boost performance. I mean, for the price, you can't beat it. You cannot beat that. It's like $100. That's freaking killer. Yeah, and it matches the valve cover too. You know, black and chrome everything. PR4 ECU. Yeah, that's the basics of it. Brand new clutch and flywheel with absolutely 0 miles on it. Yeah, I mean, that's really it. It's nothing too crazy, but it's gonna be freaking sick. Oh, my favorite part. I don't know how I almost forgot this. So, carrot top tuning, tucked harness. It's freaking sick, man. Come on. It's gonna be freaking cool. So yeah, that's it. That's the motor. Oh, and of course, all the other goodies over here. Those are brand new glass housing projector headlights. So that's pretty sick. That's all the old crap. Linkage. This is the new linkage right here that we'll be using. Integra axles and half shaft that need a lot of love because it looks like we pulled them from the ocean, but we didn't, and they're gonna work perfectly fine. So that's it. It's not a whole lot to it to get it running, at least. Now, I guess the outside's for a later video. But that's what we got going right now. I'm pumped. My dad's pumped. I mean, this has been 20-something years in the making. I mean, it's gonna be sick, dude. I mean, and how many CRXs do you see on the road? Your answer was 0, because mine was 0. You don't see these ever. I mean, look at that thing. It's gonna be killer. I'm pumped, dude. I can't wait. I wish I could move quicker, but this is part of putting the car back together. So for now, our plan is run, get it running, driving. Well, that's really it. That's our only plan right now, is get it running and driving. All the fine detail work's that's gonna come later, you know, here and there, like interior, you know, stuff like that. But run, drive, and drive it down the road and smile. I mean, it's gonna be awesome. I do plan, hopefully this weekend, if it's pretty. I'm gonna clean up the engine bay. A little iffy right now, but nothing a little Scotch-Brite sandpaper and some black spray paint will not fix. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do this weekend. Yeah, I'm pumped. It's gonna be sweet. So yeah, this is my first YouTube video. Just want to introduce myself and the cars and what we're actually going to be posting right now, which is the CRX. And maybe down the road we can do some cool stuff to the truck, or maybe that turd over there. We'll see. But yeah, this is it. This is the start of it. I can't wait. I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that are just as interested in getting this thing back on the road as I am. So please follow along. It's exciting. Yeah. So until the next video, peace out.